The upper end of the fibula is also called its head and is surrounded by a styloid process. Like I mentioned that it is present below the knee, where the facet of the fibula forms the proximal tibiofibular joint with the lateral condyle of the tibia. Now we can remember this by recalling Peter 2 Jane, which is the PTJ joint. The upper end is somehow expanded in all the directions. The upper end of the fibula projects upwards and sticks to the corner of the tibia. Just below there is a constriction that we call the neck of the fibula. It is basically irregular in shape and is not very remarkable. It only has 3 muscle attachments, which we will discuss in the coming sections.